Later. I have to put them on YouTube today.
What are you using the mat for? Kip up?
No, head tip up.
Ooh, ouch.
Yep. So I have that.
Ow.
What the hell are they?
What, did you want something squishier? Because I think these are thicker.
Alright.
Are you sure? Look how much thicker this is.
You're pinching it. This made my day. Okay. Haven't done this in over a year. Okay, over a year.
I haven't done it ever, so we're fine.
If I die, just know.
I know CPR, don't worry, we're lifeguards. It's fine.
You gotta snap neck.
I know how to re-snap a neck. Your hand placement, you're so cute.
What? Well, because my hand's like partially sweaty, so I don't want them on here. But then I want them on here so in case I do need them to move.
So how about you turn the mat the other way? Because that's too easy. Are you sure you don't want a squishier one? That's like an inch thick.
Yeah, come over.
Okay.
I'll lay it on top. A little bit squishier.
Okay.
It's like an alien. I'm gonna die. This will happen.
I just feel like you're constipated and you're like, like on the ground.